Hi friends, this is Srinivas. I pursued my BTech during the year 2006 to 2010. While I was doing my BTech, I did my project on electronics and communication. That is, allow human being detector in war fields by using PIX sensor and XB module. At the at the same time, we are using microcontroller. The whole my project, the heart of my project is microcontroller. Now I want to explain the principle and working of my project. My project has two modules, that is transmitter and one receiver. At the same time, we using the communication between the transmitter and receiver. We use trans receiver at the both component. Here trans receiver acts as both transmitting and receiving. Here also here trans receiver acts as both transmitting and receiving. The main component in the transmitter is XP. It can communicate between transmitter and receiver XP module. The range between the transmitter and we can control the robot minimum 3 kilometers away from robot. At the robot section, we can also find XB module. That is, it receives and transmits the data from transmit. And another important part of this transmitter is microcontroller. We can also find another microcontroller in robot section. And another important part of my project is PIR sensor. It 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 detects the human beings, allow human beings. While whenever human walk in front of this PIR sensor, it can detect and transmit the data from robot section to the transmitter section. Now we can find allow human beings by using this LCD display. Robot section can be operated by using 5 volts DC battery. Same at the same time, the transmitter section have 230 volts. It by using step-up transformer, it can convert into 12 volts. We have 5 switches. By using switches, we can control robot left, right, front, and back. By using middle switch, where we can find human beings, then we can press middle switch, then we can find the allow human being detectors and we can receive the information from robot section. Now I want to show the practical output of my project. Okay, this is robot. While we are operating this robot, we can fix red button to this robot, this battery, and black pin to this black display. It gives total 12 volts supplied to this robot section. Now this remote section is fixed to 230 volts power supply from the blackboard. And now we can find here on LED blow. Now by using these 5 switches, if we press this, the robot move forward. If we press this button, the robot move backward. If this button press back and this button right side, the robot move right side. And when we press the middle button, the robot stops and it starts the detection of alloy human beings. Now we operate this robot. Okay. I press this switch. Then robot move forward. If we press back switch, the robot move backward. If we press left switch, the robot move rotation. If we want to detect the human beings, then we can press middle switch. Then robot stop at one place, and now we start detect the human beings. While human beings, while if human beings are walking before in front of this PS sensor, then it gives the information to the remote section. That is, hello, human beings are there. Let now we see. Let we see the output of this PS sensor. My leg is moving the PI sensor. Then it gives the someone not alive now because there is no human being in front of the PI sensor. If someone move before the robot, then it gives the output that is alive someone. Yes, output is up.